Hi guys, I'm making this video to show how to fix a T-Fal Ultra Glide Pro steam iron. I searched the internet for this problem, but I didn't find any solution for it. But I figured it out. So the problem, um, the the iron is working fine. You see here, the power lamp is on, and everything works fine. After some time, there is an auto shut off um, lamp will start to blink. Yeah, see now it's blinking, and this totally separates the electric circuit to the heater in the iron. Okay guys, I'll show you how to open it. Actually, you don't need to open everything. It's just two screws. There are two screws here. Just these two screws from here. When you take these two screws out, the whole base will come out with you. Just be careful, and you don't need to do anything with the power unit. The power unit, keep it as is. Just pull the auto shut off switch out. You see there are three wires here, and these three wires actually are connected to this sensor. So this is an auto shut off sensor. It seems so. What happens? This sensor, if you leave your iron in this vertical position for 8 minutes, it should turn off it. And if you forget the iron more than 30 seconds on your clothes or horizontal like this, it also turns off. And if you keep it for 30 seconds on the side, it will also shut it off. So that's the function of this sensor. But in my case, it fails, so it turn it off after 30 seconds, whatever the position of your iron. And if it is working fine and it turn off the iron, you just need to shake it like this gently, and it will turn on again. But in my case, this totally failed. So what I'm going to do, I'm not planning to buy this component or this sensor, so I will bypass it. So if you see here, there are three wires, red, black, and blue. So you can keep the red on, that's just a controller, and cut blue and black and connect them together. Okay guys, I will cut this sensor from here. Okay, as I told you, I will connect the blue and black. This is the blue and black. I will connect them together. Okay, that's the line of the wire. Okay guys, I removed the auto shut off sensor, and I connect the black and the blue as I told you. Now we're going to connect the power to the iron and test it. So you see here the power lamp is turning on, and it's being heated now. And if you turn off the thermostat, it turns off, so it reaches the temperature. Okay, I will keep looking. Now you will not see any lamp here because we already take the sensor off, and actually the lamp is in the sensor. So now we don't have any shut off sensor anymore. Actually, some models comes without this sensor. So, and if you see, you can hear a sound here. So it seems that the positioning sensor failed. So you either buy a new one or just bypass it like that. I hope you can fix your iron if you have this problem, and I hope this video uh, is useful for you. Thank you.